Hey guys, it's Warren with KLGadgetTV, and we just finished the premiere of the Avengers Endgame here, and what I'm having on my hands right now is the Avengers Special Edition of the OPPO F11 Pro. Yes, OPPO has actually made a smartphone to commemorate the launch of the Avengers Endgame movie. I'm not going to do any spoilers on the movie in this video, but I'm going to show you about the phone right now. So as you can see, this phone is specially themed with the Avengers logo. So this is the lock screen, and when you unlock, that's the wallpaper as well. So what you have on this phone is pretty much the standard stuffs like the standard OPPO F11 Pro, such as a MediaTek Helio P70 processor. There's 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and there's of course OPPO's VOOC fast charging is available on this as well. So let's take a look around the phone's hardware. You know the stuff's already, but let's take a look at the phone's hardware. So on the back here, you get this very nice blue, shiny blue color that has some lighting patterns when exposed to light. There's also the Avengers logo in red, and on top of the camera here, you still find another little Avengers logo right there, and there's the fingerprint reader. The entire phone looks pretty nice though, so if you're an Avengers fan, probably this is the phone that you should really just buy. So in terms of pricing, well, OPPO has unveiled that there will not be any extra premium over the standard OPPO F11 Pro, because this phone will retail for 1,399 ringgit. That's a pretty reasonable price. Pre-orders are starting today until May, of course, and you can actually pre-order at all OPPO authorized concept stores and also telcos and online e-commerce channels. Alright, so that's pretty much about the OPPO F11 Pro Avengers Edition. Stay tuned for more videos from KLGadgetTV. Let us know about it in the comments on what you think about the phone. Is it nice for you? Will you buy this to commemorate the last Avengers movie? Let me know in the comments down below. Stay tuned for more, subscribe to us, and I will talk to you in the next video.